Hi everyone. In this video, we'll go through few problems related to conversions from fractions to percentage and percentage to fractions. We will go through these four problems in this video. Let's solve this problem where we have to find 12.5% of 1 hour 40 minutes, right? Now, whenever you have hour and minutes or rupees and paisa, right, you should first get into one particular unit. Either you have to put it in hours or you have to put in minutes. You can't have a combination of both. Both when it is money or when it is time, it should be one unit only. So first I'll convert 1 hour 40 minutes to minutes itself. 1 hour is 60 minutes plus 40 minutes, so 100 minutes. This is going to be 100 minutes, right? And 12.5%. What is 12.5? 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. It's a mixed fraction. So 25 by 2 percent, right? 25 by 2 percent. Percent means by 100, per 100, right? By 100, off is into. Off is always into. Now, it is a simple calculation. Assume that it is 100 by 1. You should always assume that it's 100 by 1. So, I'll get 25 by 2 and I'll take this up. So, it will become reciprocal. 100 by 1 will become 1 by 100 into 100 minutes. So, this will be 12.5. So, this will be 12.5 minutes. So, the answer is 12.5 minutes or 12.5 minutes. Now, let's solve the second problem. What percent is 7 paisa of rupees 75? What percent is 7 paisa of rupees 75? You have to find the percent. First of all, 7 paise of rupees 75. We'll convert 75 to paise first. The unit should be same. 1 rupee is 100 paise. 1 rupee is 100 paise. So 75 rupees would be 75 into 100. So it will be 7500 paise or 7500 paise. Paise is 7500 paise. Now, let's assume that the percent is x, right? We don't know what percent. We need to find what percent. So let's assume let percent be x, right? Let it be x percent. X percent of, what do we have to find? X percent of 75. X percent of 75 rupees is 7 paise. What percent is 7 paise of rupees 75? So we'll assume what percent? We'll assume it's x. So x percent of 75 rupees is 7 paise. Instead of 75 rupees, I'll write 7500 paise. So x percent of 7500 paise is 7 paise, which is nothing but x percent. I can write as x by 100 of is into 7500 is equal to 7 paise. 75x is 7. 75x is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7 by 75. That is, x is equal to 0.0933%. So, what percent? We assumed it to be x percent, right? And that x is 0.0933%. Now, similar problem. What percent is 64 meters of 12 kilometers? Right? What percent? So, we'll assume let that percent is x. Percent is x. What percent is 64 meters of 12 kilometers? That is, we'll say x percent of 12 kilometer is 64 meters. Like I said, we cannot have two different units. We have meter and kilometer. So we'll convert kilometer to meters, right? So 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Therefore, 12 kilometers would be 12 into 1000 meters, which is 12,000 meters. So I'll put x percent of 12,000 meters is equal to 64 meters. So x percent is x by 100 into 12,000 is equal to 64. So I'll get 120x is equal to 64, which means x is equal to, I'll shift 120 this side. So I'll get 64 by 120. It is 120 to x. When I shift, it will become division. This is in multiplication, right? 120 to x. When I shift, it will become division, which is 0.533%. So x is equal to 0.533%. This is the answer. Now we'll solve another problem. What percent is 4/5 of 125? Again, we'll assume what percent means. We'll assume x. Let percent be x. Now, x percent of 125 is 4/5. X percent. What percent is 4/5 of 125? So x percent of 125 is 4 by 5. Remember this off, okay? Off 125. Off means into 125. what percent is 4/5 of 125. So it should be x percent of 125 is 4 by 5. X percent of 125 should be 4 by 5. So x percent is x by 100 into 125 is 4 by 5. So this will be 25 4s are 25 5s are. So it will be 5x by 4 is equal to 4 by 5. So therefore x is equal to 4 by 5. I'll shift this here. So this is in division, it will become multiplication. I'll shift 5 also here. This is in multiplication, this will become division. This is 5 into x, so it will become by 5, right? Basically 5 by 4, when I shift the other side, will become into 4 by 5. So this is nothing but 16 by 25, 0.64%. So x is equal to 0.64%. With this, we've come to the end of this particular topic. If you have found this video useful, do press a like and share it. Thank you.